Hi, Miss Darlene. Good day.
Good day, ma'am.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Dylan Rodriguez Libuna, 35 years old, married with three child, age 14, 13, and 7 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Porocuan, Barangay San Felipe, Tantaman, South Cotabato, Philippines.
How many siblings do you have?
3 brothers and 1 sister, and I'm fourth child in the family.
Please tell me about your educational background.
I am high school graduate.
How would you describe yourself?
I am honest, obedient, hardworking, and good feeling.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to support my family financially and save money for the future of kids.
Who will take care of your children when you go to Hong Kong?
My husband and my parents.
Please tell me about your working experience.
My work experience in the Philippines from 2001 to 2004. Married couple, my child, 2 child, 3 years old girl and 1 year old boy. My job duties are washing, cooking, ironing, and cleaning the house.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of healthy elderly person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of children and newborn babies?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby will cry?
First, I will check the baby's diapers, dirty. And I will change the baby's temperature. I employers immediately.
What will you do if the children are naughty and not listening to you?
I encourage the playing or dance or sing.
What will you do if you feel homesick?
I will focus my work.
Do you have the focuses of your husband, parents, family to go work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have family problem, would you go home or just send financial support?
Send me financial support.
Are you willing to share a room with the children, elderly, or other helpers?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during your rest day and pay as overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use a cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to loan from any bank in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Please sing a nursery song.
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little brother want to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Do you know how to swim?
No, ma'am.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol beverage?
No, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you need to wear glasses while working?
No need, ma'am.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have surgical operation of serious sickness before?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you... I'm sorry? Do you have surgical operation of serious sickness before?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you CS?
Yes, ma'am.
For how many long?
2017. CSB 4 from 2017.
Okay. Are you willing... are you under special medication right now?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Please give a message for your future employer to hire you.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Dylan Libuna. I am very much willing to work in. I promise I finish my contract and I committed to.
Ano ba?
I follow all instruction in the sales in Hong Kong. Thank you and God bless.